So today I'm going to show you how to make a green onion pancakes. Use these as a snack food or just as appetizers.
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on.
So we're going to add a little bit of baking powder, just a little pinch, about a quarter teaspoon. Mix very well. And then we're going to add boiling water, half of this. And then we're going to add some cold water. Make a smooth, soft dough. So now our dough is rested enough. So we're gonna dust my cutting board with some flour, dry flour. Now we're gonna knead a little bit until smooth. Roll this into a big round pie. So using rolling pin. So if it's getting still a little sticky, you can just use a little bit more flour. We want to roll it into pretty thin. Some oil. We want oil to be spread out all over, so you can put it right like that, and then you just lift up one corner and spread like that. It'll be very even. Or you can use a brush. You can brush pretty even too. So this is the traditional way to do it. Then we're gonna put some salt, just a little bit. So for those of you who doesn't want to get too much sodium, you don't have to, but the salt will just add a little flavor. Put some green onions. Chop the green onions. If you like green onions, put more. If you don't, you don't have to use any. But if you don't use any, that will be just a pancake. It's not green onion pancake. So this is about 2 tablespoons. We're gonna roll it from one end, roll it into a roll. Like that. We're gonna try to cut it even pieces. So I like to cut in half first. That way we know it can be pretty even. And then we can cut into half again. Then we'll pinch close the ends and the sides too. Pinch close. And let it sit like that. Press it down, and this is one little pancake is ready. So we do the same thing. We just pinch the ends close, pinch this end close, and let it press it down. Just to make sure that the green onions is sealed inside. If it shows a little bit, it's no big deal. It's not end of the world. So we're gonna put a little bit more flour, roll it out into a thin round pancake. This is pretty small. You can make a bigger one too. So whatever size you want to make, that's fine. You can cut them into, wedges like you do with pizza, or you can just do individual like these. Individual ones. So just as long as it's even rolled out. Brush some oil. You can use any pan. Then we're gonna put, oops, press it down, make sure it's even. You can eat like that, or you can cut into half, and each half cut another part.